Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at quite a few cases here from a company called Crave for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, this is actually my first time ever checking out some cases from this company right here, so huge shout out to Crave for actually sending these out for us to take a look at here on the channel. As you can see, they got quite a few color options that actually look really good, but let's go ahead and jump right into it. We'll go ahead and start off with a quick unboxing experience. So I did leave one in the box just so you guys can see. We've got the picture of the case on the outside, Crave branding in the front. So you can see we're gonna get an ultra slim design, shock absorbent, premium quality, and precise cutout. Strong, reliable, and protective. So let's go ahead and get this open, get the case out, and let's see what we got here. And that is that, just a little styrofoam pad inside the case itself. And then we have the case, and actually this really nice red color, looking really, really good. And all of these cases are gonna be the exact same design, exact same texture in the back. Every case is exactly the same, except of course for the color. Now we do have a nice soft to the touch texture in the back. Actually, it's got kind of like a rubbery, kind of grippy feeling, but really soft to the touch, nice and smooth. But let me get a close up right here, look at that. So as you can see, we do got some texture back there, some Crave branding down there at the bottom. And as you can see here, this is MagSafe compatible, which also means that this is wireless charging compatible as well. Going inside the case, got a nice silicone. So this is actually kind of like a two-piece case. As you can see, we got this silicone part that goes inside that's, you know, very flexible, very bendy. And then you got the hard shell on the outside. I don't recommend, you know, taking it apart like that. There's no need to do that to get the phone into this case right here. So I'll go ahead and bring the Galaxy S24 Ultra in. Let's go ahead and slap it right into the case, just like that. And it slaps in really good, as you can hear there. Not sure if you can hear it on my microphone, but it slaps on really good. So you're gonna get a nice secure fit, you know, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra in this case right here. And this is what it is going to look like. Look at that. So as you can see, we are going to get some good protection there for the cameras in the back, a nice deep cutout. So if you do happen to accidentally drop it, you know, flat down on a flat surface like that on its back, or slide it around like that, it should give it just enough lift to where those camera lenses in the back should not get damaged. Now going around the sides of the case, you're gonna get this same texture going around the sides here, except for when we get to the volume rockers. As you can see, we get a nice smooth matte black look, a nice smooth finish, and the buttons are actually very clicky, and they actually feel really, really good. It's super satisfying actually. So let me go ahead and unlock this. As you can see, the power button is nice and responsive. Let's go ahead and check out the volume rockers. Nice and responsive. Super clicky, I actually really love the feel of the buttons on this case right here. Going to the top, we got some precise cutouts for those microphones, as you can see right there. Over to the left side, nothing except for that, more of that textured feel on the sides, which is going to help with grip. Feels really good in the hands as well. And it doesn't add too much bulk to your device. It does, you know, make it a little bit more thicker. Of course, I mean, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is already a big phone, so it's just going to add a little bit of thickness to your Galaxy S24 Ultra, but it actually feels really good in the hands. It's not too bulky, I guess I would say, for a case that is going to protect your device. And then down at the bottom, we do have precise cutouts for the USB Type-C charging port, microphone, speaker, and the S Pen, which is easily accessible, as you can see there. It's not hard to get out at all. Going over to the display, we do got a pretty good lift there for the top and the bottom, just for the whole entire display. The top and the bottom do offer a little bit more coverage, but it is still lifted on the sides as well. It's hard to tell because I am using a tempered glass screen protector, but without that screen protector, yes, the sides are lifted just a little bit above the display as well. So you're still going to get some coverage all the way around the display. As you can see, that tempered glass screen protector just kind of comes up a bit because it's sitting on top of the actual display, but you are still going to get a good lift for that display. So if you happen to accidentally drop it, you know, flat down on a flat surface or slide it around, it should protect that display pretty good. And of course, as you can see, this is screen protector friendly. You get just enough space between the case and that tempered glass screen protector all the way around the device. So you're not gonna have any problems with your screen protector lifting up or anything like that from this case right here. So overall, I mean, it's a decent case. I mean, for around $17 on Amazon, you're gonna get some good protection, a great feel in the back, and some nice color options. So again, this right here is the red color, looking really, really nice. Actually, this is one of my favorite colors from them right here. Just looking at all of them right here in front of me. Just taking a close look. Let's go and take a look at another color here. Let's move over to the gray color. Slap that on just like that. And this one is going to actually go really good with this, you know, natural titanium colored Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's a nice gray, same smooth finish in the back. Look at that, really, really good. Let's get a close up here. It's gonna be, you know, a combo of gray and a black, of course. And there you are with that gray color right there. Let's go ahead and move over to what they are calling lilac. So it's a mixture of lilac and a purple. Let me see, do they all come with, yes, okay. So all of these cases do come with MagSafe. They are all MagSafe compatible. I just had to make sure because with the red one, you can actually see through the case. You can see that MagSafe back there, but with the lilac one, I wasn't really sure. So that's why I had to take off, you know, the inside part just to check. And yes, so they are all going to be MagSafe compatible. Let me go ahead and slap this phone back in. Let's see what this one looks like on there. Again, this is the lilac color. Let's take a close up on this. Now, me personally, I mean, it looks okay. I think they should have put maybe a lighter purple color along with this, the hard shell in the back. But hey, I mean, if you like it, you like it. Okay, there you go. Now you can kind of see that MagSafe compatibility in the back. So that's what that one is going to look like. Let's take a closer look at the forest green color right here. I actually really like this one right here. This is a nice green color. Look at that. Let's get a close up on that one. Really, really nice. It looks good with that matte black finish on the sides and around that camera, those camera lenses in the back. Really, really nice green right there. Look at that. Got 3 more colors to take a look at. Now this one they are calling aqua. So this is kind of like a mixture of, I don't know, to me it kind of looks like maybe a teal or a mint, I guess, along with that forest green that we just saw with the other case. But this one actually looks really nice too. It's a little, I guess I would consider a lighter green color, but it actually looks really, really good. And this is the aqua color. And I'll have links for these cases again down in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself if you do want to check them out. Like I said, they feel great on the S24 Ultra right here. I feel like they're gonna give it some good protection, and it just overall feels good in the hands. Really loving the soft to the touch texture in the back there. And this one right here is navy. Getting a close up there. Look at that. Really liking this color as well. And blue is my favorite color. So this, you know, with that matte black, you know, on the bottom, the sides, and around those camera lenses, it's actually a good color combo right there. Looking really nice on the S24 Ultra. And then we got one more, of course, and this one is just going to be all black. Take a close look at that. Look at that right there. Really, really nice. And these aren't cases that are going to attract fingerprints in the back either. They're gonna keep giving you that, you know, nice clean look in the back. Of course, unless of course you happen to spill something on there or something like that, or stain it with paint. But other than that, it is not going to pick up fingerprints. It's going to keep that nice look in the back right there. Look at that, black all the way around, even at the top. So that's what the black one is going to look like. So there you have it. Again, these are cases from a company called Crave, as you can see right there. And like I said, I'll have links down in the description below in case you do want to check any of these out for yourself. As you can see, many colors to choose from if I spread them out here. So they definitely got options when it comes to colors. So you don't have to worry about them not having a color. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.